Hello there. Here we are with issue 45. Ooh, in this issue, we're going to go over the Vulture class starfighter. So those are the droid fighters. And then we're going to talk about the riches of Maigito. So this one was mentioned in, I believe it was the last magazine. And it was part of the triad of evil or something like that. So we'll go over that. I don't know much about this. But I have a feeling that we'll find out. Maybe Maigito. Oh, this is where the banking clan is. So okay. So maybe we'll learn a little bit about that. Using cargo pods, we'll go over that. And looks like you can put some cargo pods up on top of the Falcon or any YT-1300. And so that will be cool. And here's some different cargo pods, modular container systems. All right, so let's take a look at the parts that we're going to have this time. We've got them all in this wonderful little bag. So we have this part. We have this part, which is the mirror to the one that we did last time. We have that part. And we have these. Okay, so these go with that. I have a feeling that these go with this. Let's just have a look, see what we're going to be doing here. So we have all the parts because this part is in here, that part is in there. These two parts are in here loose. And then, of course, this piece here. And yeah, so that's all the parts. All right, so we will be putting this together first, and then we'll put this together. So let's go ahead and cut out the parts. Yeah, let's cut out the parts. I was debating whether or not to cut them all out or save some of them and then cut them out, like cut these ones out and then those ones. But I think I'm going to cut them all out, and this time I am going to wash them because there's so many parts and all that kind of stuff. So let's get those cut out, and then we'll get them all assembled. Just make sure there's not some parts that need to stay on here. And there are. So again, we leave that one on for later. And this time, looks like we're going to take these four and that one. Which means we'll leave these little ones on, and this one and that one. Okay. Alright, so that's all the parts for now. I'm going to go take these all and wash them. And when I come back, we will put them together. Alright, so here we are, we're back. Let's get some stuff here. We got some gluing to do. Alright, so let's go ahead and make this happen. Okay. So this one we're going to start here, and I think I'm going to start and go this way. And right away, we got a big hole and a little hole. There's that one. Now let's go with this one here. There we go. Alright. I think we'll put this one on next. Look, you can see a little bit of water still on that side. You can see it kind of glisten a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push. Get in there. There we go. Holy crap, I would have never thought that was going to be that hard to go in. Okay. Okay. Come on. There we go. The reason why I'm putting it on, I started there and then I changed my mind because this is the next one that goes on and it's got to fit on there just right. So, and you can see it's kind of bent a little bit. So it was bent up. I want it to rest flat and I bent it down and it kind of maybe somewhat cracked a little bit. So I got to be careful with it. There. There we go. Down nice and firm. It's all in there the way it's supposed to be, I think. That needs to go up a little bit like that. There we go. Just like that. Now we've got this one. Goes up on top. Like that. Alright. This one. Goes on top of there. Something like that. Alright. This piece. Okay, it's this way. Alright. Just like this. Just like that. Just rest on there. Just like so. Alright. That's all the pieces for that one. Now we'll switch over to this one. So we'll put these ones on first. So on the sides here, let's see if you can see that. You can kind of see it. This part here is flat. There you go. You can see it that way. And these things here are flat. So I have two of these, and they look to be identical. So I'm not going to worry about which one goes where. I'm just going to put them on. There's one. There's two. All right. Now this one, oops, these ones here go like this. So there's a little bitty nubbin there, right here, on my fingernail, this fingernail, and then there's the one back here. So it's going to go like this. There, like that. It's going to go. Okay. I don't think it goes like this. Nope. Yeah, like that. Okay. All right. There we go. May not have gotten enough glue in here. I didn't. Okay, now just going to put glue, if I got some, all along this outside edge here. Yeah, I'm going to have to get more glue. I didn't have enough to make it look damp. There we go. Something like that. Just like that. There we go. All right. So that concludes everything in this issue. So we've got all this put together, all of this put together, and then we'll have some of these other parts at some other time. I'm not sure what they go to. So that concludes everything on issue 45 for this time. And in issue 46, we're going to get the top. Actually, this is the bottom turret piece. The little ring that goes in there. They learn their lesson after the first one. And then some extra parts, plus the other gun turret, the glass, which I'm not going to bring out because I'm not going to use it, and some screws. So that will be issue 46. That is everything. All right. Well, thank you very much, everybody, for sticking around and watching this. Hopefully, you're still enjoying that. And may the force be with you always.